Hello friends, I am today going to demonstrate you an application which is known as NOTEMAN 1, which you can use for your note taking requirement. Usually students who are doing research, they go through various sources, and while going through them they need a lot of stuff as facts and statements which they need to copy. Usually highlighting is one of the methods, but taking them as notes and handy tool which can be retrieved again is an advantage. And this NoteMan is a good tool which I have developed on Visual Basic platform, which can be used for taking down essential information to be used while writing the dissertation or thesis as well. So it has two tabs, and for that, to give you a demo, I'm going to open a book which I'm going to use it for taking down few notes. This book is Civilization and World Order, which is quite a interesting one, defining the Eurocentric world order. And I've tried to copy few notes from this in order to show you. The first and foremost part that is usually taken down from any book, its title and the author, and here the civilization and world order, geopolitics and cultural difference. This is edited by Ahmed Davutoglu, so it can be used as a first set of information. But before putting that information on the NoteMan, let's do something what you call prerequisites. First, set up the location, and for that, click the button folder. It will open a file dialog box and choose the location where you want to store all your notes. So I have chosen already one I created. This is the civilization, that is the first word of the book itself, and I have tried to use this location for storing my notes. So I have okayed it, and you can see it is being shown there. And now I press the next button, which is known as new record. As I press this button, this will create a timestamp, a text file, and here you can see that the location is also shown here. And now I can paste the information which I have copied, and as you can see, it is being pasted there. Now the next important thing that can be used is the ISBN number of the book. Again, I have copied it, and I'll use the paste button to paste it, and here it is done. The let's go into the further details, which what else interesting things can be taken download, and I'll take an example of the say chapter 1 by Richard Falk, the geopolitical turmoil and civilizational pluralism. I think it must be offering something interesting to us, so let's use this for our note making tool demo. And I'm going to the chapter in order to take down few lines for our demonstration of the note making process. So it speaks about little about monocivilizationalism and its friends and enemies, and it's also tries to put a priority of Eurocentrism and how it has actually influenced the values and ideas and hegemonic perceptions and organizational categories that derive directly from the West. So I can at least copy this, and I'll try to show you how this note making process moves ahead. I think I can copy from the word the global civilization experience and up to that part, or let's see, I can copy this one. The mono civilization dominance has led ever since the peace of Westphalia and blah blah. So this can be copied. As you see, I've copied there and pasted. Then further in the mid course, I can see few other lines of interest which I can copy. So again I am copying it, and again I am pasting it. So this is the way how you have to do it, and then you have to export the information. which is now stored in the file. Now two things you have to take down note of. One is if you really want to work in the same file, then don't press new record, use the reset button, and the reset button would clean the text box and you can again create new notes here and paste in the same file. So you can see that. I'll just try to show you more example how you can paste the information in the same file. Let's read this, something maybe of interest. Perhaps the Eurocentric intra-civilizational tensions and diversities render complex and contested any attribution of monocivilization character. Perhaps yes, I can use this as an example of taking down the note, and I am copying and I'm pasting it. Then I'll take one more line and try to change this file, and again one more example. So I've exported it and that file has already taken this second set of note. Now if I press the new record, then a new file is being created, and now whatever is that I'll be copying and pasting will be in a separate file. So new record basically creates a new file in which you have to take down the notes. If you want to work in the same file, then don't press new record again, just use the reset button in order to wipe the text area clean and paste new stuff. That's how it has to be done. And once I am done with this note making exercise, then I'll show you how to retrieve the note. And it is the note read button tab which is used, and I have to take you to the folder. From the choose button, you go to this parent folder, means one folder up, and here you can see the listing of the folder civilization, and this drop down box gives you all the folders that are being listed here. And now you can see all the files that I created through note making, and you can see how they are being demonstrated here. Again, I'll try to show you that all the 4 files can be examined alternatively in these 2 boxes, and they keep on showing up alternatively in one box or the other. Similarly, another more example, that is I have tried to create some more note from the LinkedIn website, and I am actually using the information for display alternatively. So similarly, you can actually access the whatever notes you have created, and then you can try to you can say organize your ideas based on this retrieval and collection of notes. And this NOTEMAN becomes a very handy tool in order to provide you timely information, concise one. You don't have to distract yourself much from that, and perhaps you can use it for many purposes. So that's how it has to be used. And also I will try to put up the link where you can download this application and use it for the benefit. So thanks for watching. Thank you.